Lately, many customers have encountered this issue. I clearly bought a 314 battery. So why does it only have a capacity of 300? Regarding this issue, I will prepare a tutorial for everyone. First, connect the app to the BMS. Change the design capacity to the capacity corresponding to your battery pack. Taking 314Ah as an example, then connect the BMS to the host computer. Change the cycle count to 0. Then check the checkbox in front of the current parameter. Then click Set. After all the parameters have been set, you need to perform a deep charge-discharge charge cycle on the battery. Start charging the battery until the overcharge protection is triggered. 1 to 2 hours later, discharge the battery until the discharge protection is triggered. Then you can recharge the battery according to your own needs. Small tip: during the capacity calibration process, there should be no charging during the full discharge phase. Charging can occur during the discharge phase, but it must be charged until overvoltage is reached. Then connect the app to the BMS and read the full charge capacity.